search of something pretty cool, so stay tuned. So, if you aren't subscribed, go ahead and smash the subscribe button. It's free, doesn't cost you anything but a little bit of your time, and we would greatly appreciate it. It definitely helps out, helps the channel grow, and we'd appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the like too. Starting to hear the waterfall. See it right about down in there. Awesome. I don't know if you can hear me over the water. Cool stuff. Keep on looking. This is awesome. It's supposedly an old Civil War hideout. I had to kind of scramble over here, but this is where I can get a shot. Made it back. Woo! I am out of breath. Going down was easy. Coming back up, not so much. It's steep. Some of it was kind of slick too from all the rain. Well guys, that'll do it for today. Thanks for watching. If you aren't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Press the like, comment, all that good YouTube stuff. We appreciate it. And hope you enjoyed it. Had a blast, something a little different, doing some hiking. It's cool. Half day, didn't have a lot to do today and wanted to get out and enjoy the weather, so here we are. Danger, high water.